Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about green smoky eye. I'm going to show you very simple and easy steps to do this green smoky eye, and I'm going to do it in 3 variants. First one is the matte green smoky eye, the second one is the shimmer one, and the third one is the sparkle green smoky eye. So now without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, I'm priming my eyelids using a concealer, and the concealer I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and you can use any concealer which you like or you have to even out the skin tone. Now to create that sharp winged smoky eye, you need to stick a tape to the outer corner. And now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette to create this green smoky eye, and this is one of the best palette to create any type of smoky eye, whether it's black, blue or green. It have all that matte or shimmery shades which are perfect for a smoky eye. So firstly, I'm dipping my brush into this matte green eyeshadow which is called Smoothie, and I'm placing it all over my eyelid area. And it doesn't have to be perfect or neat because we'll be smudging the edges in just a bit. So you just need to build up the intensity of this color until it becomes opaque and you have a nice green color on your eyelids. And once it's done, now using the same shade, I am blending out the edges so that it looks more neat. And now I'm going to use this brown shade which is called Caffeine Fix and putting it right on top of this green color to all the way up to my crease. And now using a small blending brush, I'm blending all this out just to create that smoky effect. And now I'm again applying that matte green color all over my eyelid area just to make it more intense. Now I'm going to use this neutral shade called Buffer and placing it just where the brown shade ends, and I'm using this shade just to buff out and soften the edges. Now I'm using this matte black shade called Blackua and placing it on the outer V of the eye or the outer corner of the eye just to create that gradient effect. And now I'm going to take off the tape and you can see that straight edge. I absolutely love how that straight edge forms without much effort. The tape does all the work for you. Now I'm using this kajal pencil to tightline my upper and lower waterline. And now I'm again using that matte green color in my lower lash line. And I'm using an angular brush to thicken up my lower lash line so that it gives the illusion of bigger eyes. And I'm going to join this line with the top lash line. And now I'm using that same brown color just to buff out the edges of the lower lash line and to give a smoky effect. Now I'm using this highlighting shade called Cloud, and I'm highlighting my inner corners as well as my brow bone area with this shade. And yeah, that's it. If you want to create matte green smoky eye, you just have to add mascara or false lashes to this eye look and you're done. But next I'm going to show you how to create this look a little bit shimmery, and the shimmer eyeshadow which I'm using is from Freedom. And this is the Mono eyeshadow smolder in the shade 214, and you just need to apply a nice coat of this eyeshadow all over your eyelid area. It's a very pretty green shimmer eyeshadow which has a silver sheen in it, which looks absolutely flawless on green smoky eye as well as on black smoky eye. And yeah, that's done. If you want green shimmery smoky eye, then you can apply a nice shimmer shade onto your matte look and add mascara and you're all set to go and glam. Now if you want to make this look a little bit more glittery, then for that I'm using this Glitter Galaxy eyeshadow palette and I'm using this green glitter shade and I'm just patting the glitter all over my eyelid area using my finger. Or you can even use a brush to apply glitter to your eyelid area. And it's just up to you. If you want to go ham on with the glitter, just go and glam that look. But if you want to make it look more subtle, then just add a little bit of glitter here and there. And yeah, that's it if you want glitter smoky eye look. And now I'm just finishing this eye look by curling up the eyelashes. And next up, I'm using this Physician Formula Eye Booster Mascara. So this mascara is really great. It has mascara in one tube and the extension on the second tube. Like the small tube contains the extension. And basically extension have tiny hair particles which just makes your eyelashes more luscious and makes it like you have falsies on. So I just love this mascara. I've tried it for the first time and I'm loving it already. So you just have to coat your upper and lower lashes with the mascara and you can use any mascara which you like and love. And yeah, that's the finished look. What do you guys think? Smoky eyes are really sultry and it can go with any outfit. So this look is super versatile and I've shown you 3 ways to create a green smoky eye. You can go from subtle eye look to the ham-on, glammed, glittery, smoky green eye look. And I'm not using any falsies, but if you want to, then go ahead and add some drama to this eye look. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And for your convenience, I'm going to list all the product details in the description box below. And if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my social media handles. I will link them in the description box as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.